Thanks, boss. Hi. Yay! Congratulations! Woohoo! Let's go! 8 mistakes. That's good. Yeah. Congratulations!
Ang galing! Nakagas na ba kayo?
Go get your license.
Napasa ko ba? Sabi ko parang ang dami kong alarm set.
Malaksang fog, talagang zero visibility ka na, pwede mo na siyang i-high. Just because para magkaroon ng visibility yung kotse mo with regards to other vehicles. Kasi pag wala rin silang makita, lahat na ng pwede nyong gawin sa kotse nyo, which is turn on your high beam, yan na, visual yan for more visibility. Scenarios lang, case to case yan. Okay, cancel everything please. Okay, please step on the brakes. Alright, off the brakes. Turn signal. Sige lang, ganito mo lang yung paa mo. Ganito mo lang, lagay mo lang sa baba. Pag ito sa start ng exam mo kasi ito eh. So naka-relax lang yung paa mo. Tinatanong lang nila yan kasi dapat alam mo, at the same time, kailangan it's working.
Okay.
Pag hindi siya working, bagsak ka agad. Hindi bagsak, ikaw. Kundi disqualified ka to take the test kasi yung kotse mo medyo
Unstable.
oo, hindi siya working, pero hindi bagsak sa'yo yun. Mavo-void lang yung schedule mo to take the test.
Okay.
So you have to reschedule lang. Pero sayang, di ba? So kailangan pagdating mo sa exam, okay na lahat, pati yung kotse, hindi lang ikaw.
Okay.
Okay, please turn signal to the left. Turn signal to the right. Okay, cancel please. Okay, please turn your windshield wiper on. Alright. Pag umuulan, gamitin mo yan, nagbabagsak sila dyan.
Okay po.
Pag hindi mo rin ma-turn on si turn signal, nagbabagsak din sila dyan. Ganon kasili yung bagsakan, di ba? Pero ano yan, understandable kasi kailangan mo yan. Okay, now please turn on your emergency parking lights or your hazards. Yun. Take 2. Malakas ang ulan, heavy fog, i-turn on mo siya. Sige, turn on mo siya. May vent dyan. Tendency kasi pag malakas ang ulan, mag-moist nito. So yan, may vent dyan, bubugahan niya yan. Then it dries it out, you can see better.
Ano po ito?
It's the rear.
Sa likod?
Oo. Kasi magmo-moist din yung likod mo. Pag nag-moist na, wala kang makita sa likod mo. 'Di ba? Kahit na mag-wiper mag-wiper ka diyan, hindi yan lilinaw. Show me or point at your emergency parking brakes. Alright. Finally, show me your hand signals, please.
Turning right, left, stop or slow down.
Alright. Oh, nakatapos ka na ng isang round. Tapos, aakyat na sa examiner mo, mag-exam na kayo. Okay, let's go pull out of the curb, please. Anong gagawin?
Check a signal.
Signal, mirror. Huwag ka muna gagalaw. Over the shoulder. Once free, you can go. Always stop on top of the word stop. Let's let's go straight, please. Let's pull out muna. Sige lang, magaling ka na 7 eh. Tingnan natin yung 7 mo, kung 7 talaga. Okay, pag hindi mo na nakita si line, ilang stop ito?
3 seconds.
Ilang stop? 2 or 1?
2.
That's 1, 2, 3. Inch forward. Dapat makita mo yung incoming. A bit more. Okay. Check, check, check. You can go na. Ayan o, malayo, di ba? Wala. Alright. Okay. Pag walang line sa gitna, paano malalaman na hindi ka pa tumatawid sa kabila? Ano yung mga markers na kailangan mo i-check? Number 1, nakikita mo yung line mo, yung stopping line mo. Yung dulo niya, that's the middle line. Okay, let's go make a left, please. Sinong nauna?
Siya.
Oh, check, check, check. Let's go. Pag nakatama ka ng line, that's a narrow turn. Narrow turn yun. Tamaan mo yung white line.
Okay.
Let's go make a left. Malalaman mo yung gitnang line pag may manhole or blue indicators. Ayun, dapat ikutan mo yan. Hindi mo pwedeng sagasaan yan. Alright, dito ang backing exercise. Saka na tayo mag-practice ng backing. I-check ko muna lahat. Ayan pag lumampas ka dyan sa blue indicators mo, ibig sabihin wrong way ka na.
Okay.
Let's go straight, please. Okay, at the stop sign, let's go make a left. Always stop on top of the word stop. Magaling ka na mag-drive. Pag hindi mo nakita si line, slowly make a full stop. Left, right, left. Let's go na. Left na. Pag hindi ka agad umalis dyan, minus ka. Top left. There you go. Let's go make a left at the corner. Okay, question, who goes first? Let's go make a left. No, damn. Ayun yung blue. Ayun yung blue. Hindi mo tinitingnan yung blue. Yung truck. Yan, pwede ka na yan. Kasi, dito left tayo. Kailangan, i-check mo muna yung lane mo. Di ba? Anyone who goes straight and right goes first, di ba? Kaya ikaw, since nagla-left turn ka, you have to yield muna. Since si truck, hindi siya nagte-turn signal, so hindi mo alam kung saan siya papunta. Nung bigla siyang pumark, then saka mo palang na-confirm na ikaw pala yung pwedeng mauna. Kotse na nandoon, yung may stop sign, sino mauna? Let's go straight. Alright. Saan ilalagay ulit yung paa? Pag downhill?
Brake.
Right. Sige lang. 1, 2, 3. Let's go na. Before ka mag-stop, nakatingin ka na sa left. At the time na nag-stop ka na, dapat sa right ka na nakatingin. Para efficient yung traffic check mo. Hindi ka parang robot na stop din na. Ganun. Alright? Let's go straight. Dali lang yan. Yung skills mo, mataas yung skills mo nga. Pwede siyang 7. Let's go make a right at the stop sign. Okay, ilan ang gaano kalayo distance mo?
1 car.
As long as kita mo si gulong and a bit of the road. Let's go make a right. Magdidikitan yan. Ilang stops?
2 stop.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Dito ka sa curb maghintay. Sige lang, dito ka maghintay dito. Then check lang until it's clear. Before you go left, right, left. Left, right, left. Let's go na. Ayun. Then go top left all the time. Yan, bike lane, parking lane. Magaling na Iwan mo na ako dito. Okay, let's keep going straight, please. Ngayon, i-incorporate mo na si speed limits mo. Left, right, left. Let's go straight. Okay, let's go straight, please. Pwede pa ba doon? Wait. Pwede ka ba doon?
Bawal po.
Alright. Pag hindi ka kasya doon, huwag kang pupunta doon. Bawal kang mag-stop or mahagip yung keep clear na yan. Bawal kang mag-stop sa gitna ng intersections, sa ibabaw ng bike lane, ibabaw ng crosswalk. It's always before. Dali na lang yan. Rules and regulations lang yung binabantayan natin. Yung paa mo huwag kang gano'n lang gawin. Pagod ka niyan. Yan, ganyan ka lang. Ganyan ka lang. Yan, ganyan. Yung tip lang. Yung tip lang. Let's go straight, please. Anong speed limit mo dito? 25. Ano tong sign na yan?
Parking.
Ha?
Ito pong white.
Ayun o, yun doon. Ayun o, yung drawing na yan, yung puti.
Oh, bike lane.
Bike lane. Okay, huwag ka mag-estate dyan ha. Kasi it's a shared lane. Hindi nila solo to. 1, 2, 3. I mean, ang proper traffic checking is left, right, left. Okay, nakikita mo yung mga triangle na yon. Okay, those are your yield signs or shark's teeth. Pag may tumatawid dito, doon ka mag-stop kasi bawal ka sa gitna ng intersection. Alright? Pag may tumatawid lang, it's not a stop sign. Parang yan, oh. Oh, sige lang. Oh, anong gagawin mo? Okay. First, change lane. Change lane to the right, please. Signal. Mirror. Over the shoulder. Front. Side. Oh, pasukin mo ngayon si lane mo. Okay. Palaging stay away from the curb. Okay. Paano mo hindi... Kumaga, paano ka laging safe away from the curb? You always go to the second line ng crosswalk mo. So, yung first line mo is your stopping line. Yung second line mo is your proper distance away from the curb yun. So, you go straight muna doon, then you make a right turn. Pag hindi mo na rin siya nakikita sa dashboard mo, then you can go na rin. Okay, I'll let you go. Let's go make a right turn. Sige lang. Go right and dito lang sa top left ng right lane mo. Yan. Palaging ganyan ang position mo. Kasi pag punta ka ganyan, then lalapitan mo siya, minus ka na nun. Kasi nga, ayan o, may tumatawid yan. Ibig sabihin, you have to stop. Hindi yan palaging naka-on. Only when someone's crossing, naka-solid red yan. Ngayon, pag pwede ka nang gumalaw, magbe-blinking red yan. Hindi ka maghihintay ng green light. Walang green light yan. Once it starts blinking, check, 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 you can go na. Okay. What is a blinking red?
Stop and go.
It's a stop sign. So, pag sinabing stop sign, maging all way yan. Lahat kayo included. Ayan na, let's go na. Lahat kayo included sa... as long as nagbe-blinking red siya, included yan, yung apat na kanto. Para ka nasa stop sign. Yan. Okay, keep left, we're going straight. Ayusin lang natin yung changing lanes mo. Okay, we go straight from here. Magaling ka na. The rules and regulations lang yung pinag-uusapan dito. And yung safety mo on the road. Kasi kahit alam mo yung rules and regulations, kung bara-bara ka rin sa daan, wala rin. Dapat you follow it by the number. Ano na lang kulang? Yung changing lanes. Pag nakita kong okay na tayo sa changing lanes, punta na tayo sa routes. This is half of the route ito. But since
sa DMV
actual, yeah, half of the route ito. Hindi mo na tayo pupunta doon kasi nagpa-practice pa tayo. makakasabay natin yung mga nag-exam, baka bumagsak yung mga
Ay.
kita mo yung mga broken lines mo. Okay, we're going straight. We're going straight. Follow your lane. Never change lane inside an intersection. At saka i-observe mo yung unnecessary braking. Huwag kang brake na brake. Alright, okay. Please change lane to the right. Signal, mirror. Not yet. Tingin lang muna. Free. Okay, over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. Front. Side. Hindi automatic yun na pagtingin mo dito, over the shoulder agad. Hindi automatic yun. Kailangan ganun lang. Mirror. Dito ka muna mag-stop kasi dito yung lifeline mo eh. Dito sasabihin niya lahat yung danger or if it's good. Okay, itong green light mo, pag it turns yellow, for example, it turned yellow now, keep going lang. One car away pwede. There's no way for you to stop. Alright? Okay, please change lane to the left. Signal. Tingin sa mirror lang, huwag kang mag-slow down. Libre. Over the shoulder. Over the shoulder. Ganun ang exam. Okay, you have to cancel it. Okay, ganun ang exam. So, signal, mirror, ganun ka lang, tignan mo ako. Casual lang na tinitignan mo yan. Pag wala, then, boom, 1, 2, 3 ulit. Yun yung time na mag-over the shoulder ka na. Galing ka na. Yung directional control mo, okay na. Okay, change lane to the left, please. Signal. Casually look. Pag wala, over the shoulder na. Okay. Keep looking sa side mirror. Kasi baka may humahabol. Hindi ka pwedeng magkampante dyan na just because nag-over the shoulder ka na, wala nang hahabol. Number 1, ikaw yung walang right of way doon. Diba? So you have to watch out. Sige lang. Yellow. More than 10 feet. Okay, I don't need to see the line. Nice. Saka yung exaggeration ng over the shoulder mo is
Ganun lang.
sige lang, kasama yung shoulder. Yan. Pero pag bigla lang, ganun, tingnan mo. Balik ka agad. Yan. Kasi na-check mo na siya dito eh. Check front, check side ulit. Then, final na yung actual changing lanes. Tandaan mo yan kasi sa exam, very strict sila dyan. Sasabihin nila sa'yo, yung lasing, marunong mag-change lane yan. Kaso nga lang, how safe, hindi natin alam. So kung para kang lasing mag-change lane, yung wala kang tinitingnan, ako, yari tayo sa exam. Yan, mabilis lang yan. Click lang yan. Pag ikaw na kumbaga nalaman mo yung plate number nung nasa likuran, ibig sabihin, you look too long. Picture lang yun. Click. Dapat ang tinitingnan mo lang is, meron bang gumagalaw dyan? Meron bang kulay? Ganun lang yun. So pag may kulay yun, ibig sabihin merong tao doon. Let's go straight.
Thanks, boss. Hi. Yay! Congratulations! Woohoo! Let's go! 8 mistakes. That's good. Yeah. Congratulations.
Ang galing. Guys, nagawa ko yun.
Go get your license. Yan na.
Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya,
Oh,
palihag.
naman. Thank you. Oh,
Super thank you.
Keep in touch, ah.
Opo.